Hello, fellow classmates and Dr. Dietrich. My name's Craig Castle, and I'm a teacher at Lower Dauphin High School. Have been for 30 years, where I teach biology and anatomy and physiology. On the side, I run a family-owned winery and vineyard here in Hershey, Pennsylvania, called Castle Vineyards. Um, the online endorsement program is the program that I'm enrolled in at Millersville, and this is my last course in that. And I must say it's come in very, very handy this past year. Also been duly enrolled in a STEM online course at Lebanon Valley College and really benefited from that. So the final question was how I perceive the social lives of networking teams. And I have a son who's a senior at Virginia Tech and a daughter who's a sophomore at Michigan Tech. And I'm teaching online, and I think we're kind of faced with this reality that um, love it or hate it, we have to we have to learn this. We have to embrace it. And my children have embraced it. My students are embracing it, and I'm just thankful that I'm learning this as I go along and able to master this skill through these courses and with the help of my children. And I look forward to learning more in this course and implementing all the things that I learn. So let's look forward to a couple weeks here of learning as we teach.